Every classic has a story, and this one might just got a fresh chapter. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz S-Class W140, a timeless icon reborn through precision and artistry. At Auto Marc, we don't just modify, we restore legacy with professionalism. This S280, a symbol of executive class from the 90s, has been brought back to life through our premium peelable paint process. Fully reversible yet absolutely stunning, the peelable paint isn't just about color. It's about protection, flexibility, and expression. From surface preparation to final finish, every layer was applied with care to preserve the originality while refreshing its appeal. From dull to dazzling, this S-Class now commands presence like it did decades ago, perhaps even more. A blend of heritage and modern finish, tailored for those who understand true automotive value. Whether it's a modern luxury beast or a vintage classic, our team ensures your car gets the treatment it deserves. Because for us, every car has a soul, we just help it shine again. The W140 S-Class, not just back on the road, reborn for the next generation.